Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to save your file in Canva. So first of all, just open your Canva design. Alright, after opening your design, you will see interface like this. Now go on top right corner, click on share, and here click on download. Now click on this drop down arrow and select whatever file type you want to download. For example, if you want to download JPG, select JPG. If PDF, select PDF, or if MP4 video, you can select that also. So I'm going to go with PNG, and after that select your page. If you want to download all the pages, like currently I have 2 pages, I can also add more if I want. So I can download all the pages in one go, and this will download as a zip file. But if you want to download a specific page, select this page from here. Like I'm on this page, so I'm gonna select this page. You can also just go on custom and select whatever page you want to download. So here I'm gonna download this page right over here, page number 1, and click on download. And as you can see, your file is downloaded. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.